Hello, my dear options traders. Let me give you 9 option trading tips to make money steadily. Firstly, get a good knowledge about options trading. Without knowledge, options trading can loot your money royally. Get a good grasp on options trading strategies, risk management, and a good trading mindset. Trade with low investment in the beginning, not higher. Do not sell options as a beginner. Always keep a tab on amount of risk per day. Make sure to trade with a stop loss. But don't keep your stop loss too tight to hit the stop loss always. Stop loss is kept to cut the losses, not to make the losses. Always know when you buy options, its value decays daily. Do not expect to get rich quick. Don't overtrade and lose big bucks at brokerage. Lastly, make sure to trade with good risk to reward ratio. Less risk to more reward means better paydays. That's it for now. Let me see you in my next video. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button to get daily pre-open and Monday's options training notifications. Share this video for all the knowledge needies. As I always say, happy trading and happy money making.